Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 19 June 2018, 11:01 and 20 second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why does my toilet make a groaning noise? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why does my toilet make a groaning noise. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about why does my toilet make a groaning noise. A defective refill valve or ball cock in a toilet can cause the noise. Suspect this if the groaning occurs after a toilet is flushed. The noise occurs as the toilet tank is being refilled. Another possible cause is a loose washer in a faucet or shut-off valve. Last update Jan 24, 2010. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.